Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, another TNA production coming at you here. Tim, in good old Rosenort, Manitoba, home game for us.
Rosenort is our home today.
Yeah, at home, all right. No problems with that. We can handle anything here. Might as well put a little loop in here. But, yeah, Jets up 1-0 here in this series. You think the Blizzard come out hard here today, or they're laxy-daisy?
Well,
what do you think?
They don't have a choice. This is for all the marbles for them.
Yeah, no, for sure. Jets coming off a really good game there. I don't know, do you think they can match that, or what do you...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
It's just a structured game backed by a really good goaltending performance.
Yeah.
We got 2 empty netters. That game, we scored 2 regular goals. It was anyone's game. 2 teams fighting hard.
For sure. You think Baldwin gets the start, today?
Baldwin's in.
Okay, good. Perfect. Yeah, let's see. We apologize there. Our crowd's in the way here, but that's we'll do our best that we can there. We'll try to move things over here for you guys. See what we could get.
I hope I spill it. It's not good.
All right.
That's the best I can do. That's not bad.
Yeah,
that's
not too bad. Okay. Timbo not too happy with his coffee here, but it was fresh. He did give it to you fresh, so what else can you do? Headman, I don't really recognize the headman. I hear he's pretty good. I know that there's Noah Hudson. He's going to be on the lines. And the other linesman, I'm not 100% sure either, so I can't give you anything there. Papa Rubadoo getting pumped up here. See how things go here. Jets look ready to go. A little calm before the storm, hopefully. Not the blizzard, but calm before the storm, Timbo?
Yeah.
All right. Coaching staff for Blizzard look ready to go. Lonnie looks ready to go there. Lonnie Pinner. Our coaching staff. Des back on the bench here. That's good to see. He looks fired up there. So Ty is out for today.
Upper body.
I don't believe we have an AP in, but that's okay. I think we're going to rotate 2 centers here. That's okay. That's no problem. No problem for us here. Big game. We definitely got the louder fans here. Blizzard fans are trying. That's okay. Good for them. They're pretty quiet in Mitchell, Timbo?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Here we go. Neufeld dumps it down. Levac's going to retrieve. Schrader's going in. He hits Levac. Puck goes in. Blizzard are come out hitting. That's what they got to do. That's what they're going to try. So Reimer on the sideboard gives it away to Camo. Dallas. Levac comes up here. Reimer bails out there. Pull the old shoot. He bailed out. That's okay. Fontaine, he's going to dump back in. Levac's going to pick this up. Levac turns, throws it up. Yeah. Blizzard are going to try to hit RD. That's going to be the game plan. I know it already. I've played against Lonnie many times, and that's what they do. That's Mitchell Mohawk style right there. That's okay. That's no problem. We can handle it. We can handle this, no problem. Radley here. Radley gives it up. Puck almost gets in here. A little shaky there. A little shaky. No communication there by the Jets. A little shaky there. Puck gets thrown up. Number 88 for the puck does get out. That's good. Throws it into. A little nerves are coming up. Ruia's got this. Ruia dumps in. Ziegler gonna go. Ziegler's gonna dump. Good play here. Ziegler, yeah, he does keep it in. Roland's got this. Slap shot. Ooh, that one had eyes, Timbo. That one had eyes. Menard did not see that one. He did not see that one. No sales today for Menard. Puck gets in, Roland. Ginter does keep it in. Throws it into the corner. He's got this. Puck gets thrown up. Roland in the slot shot. Saved by Menard. 17:42 here left in this first period here. All right. Comeau can't handle that one here. Coulombe's gonna pinch down. Whoa. Radley throws it around. Chernaby gets hit from behind. No call. Then he gets shot. Took it in the chin. Deflection. Throws it in front. Fairzy's got this. Puck gets thrown around. Shot. Comeau's gonna skate up. He gives it away to Fontaine there. That's no good. Radley's got this. Radley to Coulombe. Coulombe can't handle it. Reimer goes back to pick it up. He's got this. Comeau picks this up. Comeau's got that. He banks just over Fairzy's stick there. Buchert picks that up. Radley's got this. He goes in. Schrader throws it to Reimer. Reimer dumps it in, goes over the net. Ryan picks this up. Ryan Neufeld bursts the speed here. He's got it here. No ice. Waved off here in front. Ooh, Roland just about got that one. Ginter still got this. He throws it. Neufeld. Offside on the play. Great call by Mr. Hudson. I like that. All right, Robideau's got this. Zubov tries to hit Ginter there. No go. Puck kept in by Jowett. Oh, we got our first penalty of the game here. And then a late hit. Definitely the game plan is to hit our D. That is definitely the game plan. I see it already. That's okay. No problems there. A little shaky there, Timbo. What do you think?
Yeah, a couple good shifts, couple questionable shifts.
Okay. That's good. Captain Hunter's back out. That's good. He loses that draw. Vermet's got this. He goes over to Vereshchuk. He shoots Dirksen. Captain Chernaby's coming up. Goes back door again. That back door. We got to watch for that. Schrader still got it here. Vermet's on him. Shot. Saved by Baldwin. Vereshchuk goes into the middle. Puck does get through. No go. Puck gets thrown cross ice. Great work by Captain Chernaby there. He does get it out. Great play by the boys there. We're going to get a full change. Full changement. Vereshchuk still on the ice. Yeah, he's gonna try to do it himself. That's good. We like to see that. That's perfect. Great play by Radley there. That's awesome play by Radley. Keep that in. That's perfect. Schrader's still on the ice. That's good. Vereshchuk still on the ice. That's good. I like to see that. Oh, Coulomb blows a little good year there. Great play. Como gets by. No, he doesn't. Neufeld down low. Emerson on him. Buchert's going to skate this up. Dump in by Reimer. He's going to go. Puck gets thrown across. Neufeld. Coulomb. Buchert's got this. He's going to skate in. Como does get it out. Coulomb still out. We got icing on the play. Yeah, no change for the Blizzard there. Timbo, what do you think so far here?
Let's just get one.
Yeah, I like that. Let's just get one here. Robidoux, fair. Shot, does get through. Ruir takes a shot, can't keep that in. Robidoux doesn't go get that. Levac got that, just throws a pizza up the middle again. Almost cost him.
Oh my.
All right. Got some fingers crossed here. Got some things crossed. All right. Ziegler. Neufeld tries to throw it in front. Roland's got it. A couple of high sticks. Nope. It's all good there. Oh, good hit by Vermette there. Good hit. Icing on the play. No icing. Great reverse by Emery there. I like that. That's a perfect reverse. Perfect reverse. Puck gets thrown out. No ice. Hudson waves that off. That's perfect. Emerson takes a hit from Verschuk. Puck gets thrown. Good play by Vermette. I like to see that. That's perfect. Zubov can't get that. Roland's got this. Captain Chernaby. He's going to go. No, he's just going to dump. He goes to hit. Fanned by Coulomb. Roland. A little icing there. All right here. 11:45 left in this first period. Still 0-0. Como can't win that. Radley's going to pick this up. He does. Radley almost gets through. Ginter. Unger picks this up. Unger meets. Buchert gets around Radley.
Back door. Oh.
Tries the old spinorama. Baldwin there. That's a good play. Change up the D here. Kimbo, both teams a little nervous, I could see here.
Yeah.
Puck does not, yeah, it does get out. Vermette gets that out. That's good. Emery goes rink wide. Schrader goes to Reimer. He can't get it out. One-on-one, Thiessen. Vermette hits Thiessen. Good hit by Thiessen. Levac on Reimer. Puck does not get out. Vermette. Ruiz. Ruiz can't handle it. Vermette. Vermette does get it out. We got icing on the play. Icing on the play, no change. All right, here we go. 10:22 left in this first period. Still 0-0. Goose eggs up there. There's Chuck. Takes it away. Great save by Baldwin. Great save by Baldwin. Let's get that change in there. All right. 10:15 left here. First period. Neufeld takes off. Hooking on the play. No call. Let him play. Robidoux does get it out. Neufeld, no. Right there, back to Roland in the slot. Neufeld, great save by Menard. Yeah, 16 for a charge, good call. Maybe a taunt too. I would have gave him an extra 2 for the taunt. That's okay, no problem here. Power play unit's gonna come out. First PP opportunity for the Jets here. Let's see how they do. Let's see how they do. Roland's gonna take this. Ziegler keeps that in. Back to Roland. Roland tries it. Can't get it through. Ziegler to Roland. Roland to Neufeld. Neufeld back to Roland. Roland shot. Just wide. Ziegler does keep it in. Great play there. Keep that in. Robidoux to Ziegler. Ziegler cross ice to Roland. Roland, shot, Vermette. Great save by Menard. Great anticipation by Menard. He knew he was going. He read it. He was already there when the pass came across. Well, what do you do in that case, Timbo? Do you just go right back to the other side?
Yeah, the goalie has to sacrifice everything to get that position. He can't get back.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Good play by Roland there. Neufeld's got this. Vermette takes it away. He's still got it here. No, can't get it. Yeah, he does. He does. I don't know how he did, but he did. But puck gets thrown out here. 109 left in that penalty. Puck goes up to Roland. Roland's going to go up the middle. He's going to go right up the gut. No. Buchert putting pressure. They're going to regroup here. Neufeld's got this. Vermette's going to pick this up. Robidoux. 30 seconds. Puck from the point. Neufeld's going to go for a change. Oh, Roland almost had that one through. Roland still. Ziegler back to Roland. Cross ice. 2 minutes is done here. 6 seconds left. Roland. Back to Ziegler. Shot. Save by Menard. All right. Couple shots on net there, Timbo?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Oh, Camo just missed that. Close here, close. Verchuk comes across. Good job. Puck in front. Fairzy. All right. $7.24 here. Fairsy going to come off here. Rebedeau's going to come on. Como tries to get it. He can't. Deflected into the corner. Vereshchuk. Puck from the point. Off the side. Rebedeau. You can't gather that. No. Turnaby turned the wrong way. That's good. That's good. 2-on-1 here. Developing. Shot. Saved by Menard. Timbo, somebody's got some popcorn here. I can smell it.
I smell it too.
You can smell it too, eh? Somebody's got some popcorn here. All right. We got Rebedeau's going to stay out there. Roland, Neufeld are going to jump on. Levac, Radley are going to stay out there. I like that. Puck gets thrown back in. Roland, little how's she going? That didn't work. Radley's going to pinch. Levac's going to come back. Off the boards. That's perfect. Radley's got this. He goes up the gut. Off Rebedeau. Roland's going to go hard here. 6:37 left in this first period. Back to Levac. Levac shot from the point. Oh, just about deflected by Rebedeau. Back in front. I don't think Roland got all that mustard on that one, eh? What do you think there, Tim?
Didn't get all of it.
Didn't get all of it, eh? Didn't get all the mustard there. Need a little bit of extra relish on that one. Didn't get it. Vermette's going to dig in here. He's with Ruier and Fairsy. Emery's going to dump. They're going to have to chase. We're going to dump. We need a chase. Need a chase here. Ginter keeps that in. A little bit of pinball action. It's okay. Puck's going to get dumped. Emery. Great play there. No ice here. Fontaine's just going to whip it around. I like that. Bucher, no, was that Bucher? Yeah, Bucher just dumped that out. Ginter, he keeps this in. Puck does get dumped out. No icing here. Emery a little bank shot. Fairsy's going to pick this up. He's got it here. He dumps it in. Takes about 3 hits. That's okay, though. Fontaine on Reimer. Puck does get through. Ziegler's back here. Shot from Jowett. Long shot. Misses the cage. Ruier can't handle that. Reimer's on this. 2 Jets on the puck there. Camo's got to get this out. Mama Roland yelling some instructions out there. I like that. Oh, interference call. Yeah. Good call. Thiesen's going to go sit down for 2 interference. Little blindside hit there. That's okay. No, Noah, the linesman's going to talk to him. Tell him, hey, you can't follow through there. That's okay. Okay, power play's going to come out here. Good win. Roland. No, that was Neufeld. Sorry about that. Roland did win it. Roland does get that. Puck does not get through. Ziegler still got it in the slot shot. Menard with the save. Great save by Menard there. Roland's going to dig in here again. He does. No call on Vereshchuk. Mr. Penner losing his mind there on the bench. That's okay. We like that. Puck cannot. No, puck gets dumped down. $1.26 left in this period at the penalty. We have $4.23 left in the period. Ziegler can't go here. No. They anticipate. Yeah, good play. Good play. Nothing wrong with that. Goes to Roland. Roland's going to pick this up. Shot. Great save by Menard. Neufeld's digging in here. Yeah, back to Ziegler, the Z-man. To Roland. Roland scores! There it is! There it is! Lucas Roland with the goal! Rolling down the river. Rolling down the river. Lucas Roland gets the scoring going here. Very important first goal. I like to see it. Lucas Roland. Rolling, 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 rolling. Beauty goal, beauty goal, beauty goal. All right, all right, all right. Fairzy picks this up. Fairzy's gonna dump. All right, all right, all right. Good stuff here, good stuff here, good stuff here, yeah. Viewers at home, I just want to let you guys know Timbo went back to his coffee and still doesn't like it. Just to let you guys know. He's not liking it. He's not liking it. Puck goes off. Levac keeps that in. Fairzy's going to skate hard on Fontaine here. Good reverse by Fontaine. Reimer's got this. He's going to go up. One-on-one here. Schrader. Shot. Oh. Schrader shot. Just a little bit outside. Just a little bit. Fontaine. Oh. All right, all right. Goalie went to make a save there and kicked off the net. That happens. That happens. All right, Neufeld, Vermette, Ruiz jump on here. Ginter and Emery. There you go. Vermette's got this. Vermette's going to go for a little skate. He's going to a little dump. A little reverse there on Jowett. Neufeld going hard. He hits Emerson. Good hit. Nothing wrong with that. Puck. No. Ruiz picks this up. Good play by Ruiz. Neufeld. Neufeld tries to go back to Ruiz. He can't. Jowett. All right. Puck does come out. Neufeld's going to pick this up. Neufeld, yeah, he goes, no, he can't get around Emerson. Thought he did there. Puck in front, Vermette! No, Vermette does not. He knows that was a gift. Un cadeau. Un cadeau pour Vermette. No go. Ziegler. Ziegler throws it around to Coulomb. He can't handle it. Verchuk. He gets dumped by Ziegler. Ziegler's got this. He needs some help. Robidoux comes down to help. You got the Twin Towers here, or the triplets. Oh, nice goal by Andre. Very nice goal by Andre. That's up, Butte. That's up, Butte. Pick that top shelf there. Mama keeps the cookies right there. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Menard getting worked on here, I believe. He's good now. He's good. All right, 1-1. Nobody said it was going to be easy. $1.45 left in this period. Coulomb picks this up. Robidoux. Yeah. Dalin throws it over to Coulomb. Coulomb hard on the play. One D back. Robidoux gonna pick this up. Yeah, he does. He throws it over. Coulomb. Coulomb can't dump that in. Puck does hit the mesh there. Yeah, right. Linesman saying it hit the mesh. Did it hit the mesh, Timbo?
I can't see nothing right there in that corner.
All right.
I couldn't tell you, man.
Sounds good. Vermette. Levac goes to Radley. Radley dumps it out to Roland. Roland chips it out. Kept in. No, they can't get it deep. Need to get this deep. Levac steps up. To Rad. Radley's got it here, the Radster. They dump it right back in. Levac's going to come in. He picks this up. Nope. A little cookie to Buchert. Shot. All right. .42 seconds left here. Neufeld, yeah. Line change for Neufeld. Puck gets thrown up. Save. All right. Protecting the goalie here. All right. Captain Chernoby's going to come out here. What do we got? 32 seconds left here. Levac's got this. He's going to go off the boards. Puck does get out. Fairzy does get that out. That's good. Puck gets right back in. That's Raiders going to go. Puck goes to the top. We got 14 seconds left. Good block by Levac there. Robidoux got this. He's going to dump. No ice here. All right. Timbo, what do you think here? What do you think?
Liz started with all the momentum. We stole it from them, and I feel like they're starting to seal it back here.
Yeah. A lot of hitting. They're keying on our
I knew that was coming,
RD
right?
RD there.
They got to bait us to take penalties, right?
Yeah, I think that's what they got to try there. So yeah, so good period. We're gonna take a little break here, and then we'll be back in 10 minutes or so. 10, 15 minutes.
Must be good.
All right.